How to use Pinterest board to organize content. So first of all, let's open our Pinterest, and then from here tap on the plus icon right here, tap on board, and then we're going to first of all name our board. I'm going to name it just like this, and in here if you want to make this board a secret, you can enable it, and if you want to invite somebody in order to collaborate it, you can tap on the plus icon right here and invite your friends. So after doing that, you can tap on create board just like this, and in here you can see we have successfully created a board. Now in here we can tap on find more ideas, so tap on more right here. We can now pin whatever we want to pin. So for example, we have a lot of things right here. So for example, I want to pin this particular one right here. So what I'm going to do is tap on the pin icon right this. After doing that, if we go back here, you can see we have gotten ourselves a pin on our board. So if you want to search for furthermore, what you can do is you can organize it. If you tap on it, here you can see we can now simply organize it, like select all, and if you want to delete it, you can do that, make a section, or you can move to another section. And in here, if you tap on the filter icon, you can now simply use compact option in order to create a compacted version. Here you can see, just like this, you'll be able to create your Pinterest board to organize content. And that's it.